How you doing? My name is Mario with Clean Cut Landscaping. We're in Kenner today, and we have just completed this new landscape, and I'm going to show you the end results. We removed all the existing landscape that was here. It was very nasty and horrible. We installed a multi-trunk ligustrum, some shishi camellias, bordered it with some nice wintergreen boxwoods. Boxwoods always make every garden look spectacular. We have some purple diamond loropetalums, which will let those get to right below the window. We got some beautiful drift roses, pink flowers most of the year, white pentas, along with a dwarf Yupon globe. As we make our way to the right, we got some nice oak leaf holly in front of the stucco, kind of give a little accent. And you can see as we make our way over here, everything looks really good, came out nice. Take a look at the before pictures. This place was a total wreck before we got here. There's the front. Sweep around this way. As we make our way down the side, we removed all the old shrubbery. It was horrible. Increased the size of the bed. We also installed some metal edging to provide a border so the grass doesn't grow into the gardens. We have some lavender Formosa azaleas along the front, with a couple of Japanese yews to give some additional height, white caladiums and foxtail ferns. Also, when the gutters are into the garden, we add these gutter adapters so the water exits the bed and we don't have a washout. On this side, we got another oak leaf holly with some purple agapanthus and some really nice lantana. The customers wanted privacy in their courtyard, so we use these Bigfoot clayeras. They'll grow to the top of the fence and grow dense and give them the coverage that they want. Of course, you got some white pentas in the front. Down the side here, the bed was really narrow, so we decided to put some Asian jasmine to provide as a ground cover. Other than that, everything came out really, really nice. I haven't shown the customers yet, but they're about to see it, so I'm sure they'll be happy. If you need a landscape design that's done professionally, done right the first time, give us a call at Clean Cut Landscape. We can handle your landscaping, sprinklers, drainage, lighting. Even if you just need a garden cleanup, we can handle it all. We can be reached at 504-415-1438 or visit us at our website at CC Land Design. Thank you for watching.